Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be going back to the basics with some words and phrases in Yiddish which are most important to know. How do you introduce yourself? How do you say please and thank you? I'll be covering all that and more, so hang tight and get ready to learn some Yiddish. A gitn, hallo. Hello. Was machst du? Was machst du? Or was macht ihr? Was macht ihr? How are you? Was heert sich? Was heert sich? Or was tut sich? Was tut sich? What's up? Ich heiß. Or mein Namen is. Mein Namen is. My name is. Wie azoi heißt die? Wie azoi heißt die? Or wie azoi heißt ihr? Wie azoi heißt ihr? What's your name? Alternatively, you could say, was is da Namen? Was is da Namen? Or was is ihr Namen? Was is ihr Namen? What's your name? Erste Namen. First name. Mittelste Namen. Middle name. Letzte Namen. Surname. Auf Wiedersehen. Bye. Or less formally, you could say bye. Entschuldigt mir. Excuse me. Or you can just say entschuldigt. Bitte. Please. Yashir koyach. Thank you. Although this will often be heard as shkoyach. Thanks. Yashir. You're welcome. Es tut mir leid. I'm sorry. And this is only used if you're really making a heartfelt apology, but it wouldn't be used like if you stepped on someone's toe. In that case, you would just say entschuldigt. Or nowadays, it has been integrated, sorry. Ja. Nein. Efshir. Maybe. In. And. Agit morgen. Good morning. Agita noch Mittag. Good afternoon. Agit Abend. Good evening. Agita Nacht. Good night. Agita Wach. A good week. This is often used on Saturday nights when a new week is starting to wish another person a good week ahead. Agit chodesh. Similarly to agit vach, this is used at the beginning of a month to wish another person a good month ahead. A gezinte zimmer, a healthy summer, or a gezinte winter, a healthy winter. These are used at the start of the warm season, at the start of the cold season, respectively. Ich verstehe. I understand. Ich verstehe nicht. I don't understand. Kennst du or kennt ihr das überzogen? Kennst du or kennt ihr das überzogen? Can you repeat that? Ich red nicht kein Yiddish. I don't speak Yiddish. Ich red Yiddish. I speak Yiddish. Ich red a bissel Yiddish. Ich red a bissel Yiddish. I speak a little Yiddish. Redst die or red ihr? Do you speak English, 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 Spanish, 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 Französisch, Französisch, French, Deutsch, Deutsch, German, Chinesisch, Chinesisch, Mandarin Chinese, Russisch, Russisch, Russian, Fin wie or fin wannen kimsti. Fin wie or fin wannen kimsti. Where are you from? Or formally, fin wie or fin wannen kimt ihr. Fin wie or fin wannen kimt ihr. Ich kim fin. Ich kim fin. I'm from America. America. The United States of America. Canada. 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 Eretz Yisrael. Eretz Yisrael. Israel. Russland. Russland. Russia. Frankrijk. Frankrijk. France. Oostenrijk. Oostenrijk. Austria. Deutschland. Deutschland. Germany. Vereinigte Königreich. Vereinigte Königreich. The United Kingdom. India. 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 China. 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 Argentina. 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 Ein, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10. One more time, a little faster. Ein, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10. And the days of the week: Sonntag, Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Shabbos. Einmal more: Sonntag, Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Shabbos. Now let's do some practice examples. I'll give you a sentence or phrase in English, and it'll be your job to translate it into Yiddish. Don't worry though, I'll leave you a cheat sheet here in the corner. And as usual, feel free to pause the video at any point if you need more time. Let's start. Hello, my name is Rachel. Agitten, ich heiß Ruchel. Or, Agitten, mein Name is Ruchel. Where are you from? I am from France. Von wie kommst du? Ich bin von Frankreich. Von wann kommst du? Ich bin von Frankreich. Von wann kommt ihr? Ich bin von Frankreich. Von wie kommt ihr? Ich bin von Frankreich. Please, can you say that again? Bitte kannst du das übersagen. Bitte könnt ihr das übersagen. Excuse me, do you speak English? Entschuldigt mir, Redt die English? Or Entschuldigt mir, redt ihr English? Good morning, how are you? Agit morgen, was machst du? Or Agit morgen, was macht ihr? Thank you and have a good week. Yashir koyach and Agit vach. That's it for today. If you'd like to continue Yiddish learning with some more topics, check out the links in the description box to get started on common verbs, animals, foods, colors, and sentence building. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to keep getting Yiddish videos. Thanks for watching. Tak voor de dag, hitraot, tschüss, and auf Wiedersehen.